Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome, and thank you for being with me. I'm Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration, A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And, you know, we've got a new administration. There are new proposals for new immigration bills, new immigration reform. And it's like, whoa, finally, there's some movement, there's some positivity, there's some hope, at least some hope for something positive that could come from Washington, D.C. that could actually help people that, you know, are great people who are living here in the United States. If you are an immigrant, are you prepared? Are you prepared for what might happen? Are you prepared for immigration reform if it's going to come? All right? Because if you're not, I recommend starting the process and getting prepared. You don't need to panic. You don't need to, but act rationally. Let's start requesting your immigration record. Okay? Let's start requesting your immigration record so that we know what the government has on your case. Let's start gathering certain documents so that, we can be ready. And so when some new law passes, which hopefully it'll happen, right? There's still a long battle to happen in Congress. But, let's start taking steps to prepare ourselves for it, all right? And you can gather your tax returns. You can gather, proof of your physical presence in the United States. We don't know exactly what laws will pass and things like that, but we can certainly be requesting all of your immigration history because that will be important no matter what laws pass in the future, all right? You want to be able to understand how those laws might apply to you and your situation. And so it's time to start getting prepared, people. Let's do it. Let's do it. And so if you have questions about that, please feel free to contact our office, or our office is preparing, and by the time you've seen this video, maybe we've even done it already, but Friday, the 29th of January, 2021, I'm going to be doing a monthly seminar on this topic. How do we prepare? What are the prospects really of immigration reform? And what do you need to know about it? All right. And so if it's after Friday, the 29th of January, then you should be able to click a link below this video and get access to that recording. And if it's before then, hey, tune in. Facebook Live, YouTube Live, 1:30 in English, 2 p.m. in Spanish. And let's get your questions answered. Let's go through really what are we looking at with immigration reform? What really is happening with Biden? What really are the chances of getting this thing passed? All right. And so let's check it out. Don't sit back and wait. Don't sit back and wait. Take some action. Take some affirmative action. Make a phone call. Start gathering your documents. Start gathering the information you need. Don't act rashly. Don't panic or do something crazy. But let's start getting all of your records in place. Let's start putting together what we need to put together so that you're not like the last person in the waiting list. Let's be ready to apply when the opportunity presents itself. Thank you so much for being with me here today. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration, A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. All right, bye-bye.